guys, Kathy Bullock, and we are now on day number 13. And today I want to show you how to create an opportunity checklist and how to create some tasks. So this is going to have to be built out one time, and then it will move through all of your future opportunities. So I am logged in here to agent.kw.com. I am in the opportunity that I just recently created, and to get to the opportunity checklist, I'm going to come over here to the right hand side where you'll see this 0 of 5. So when I click on this, it is actually going to take me into where I actually have something done already. But if I want to come over here to the watch and I want to create a checklist to the watch, I can actually come in here and hit add item. And maybe I want this first item to be get phone number of lead, get email of lead. So then I can save that. Okay, and you'll see that it then creates that for me. Well, now I can come and add another, and maybe I want to get the address of the lead. And of course, these are customizable, and if you'd like to reach out for any of these checklists, I'm happy to email some checklists that have been put together. And then I can actually come over to the nurture, and I can also start adding things. So once I come here to the nurture, you can see that if you click on, let me come to the hot, if I click on the create from template, there are some things in there, and you may just want to then update additional things. So if I came back to the nurture cultivate, maybe it's going to be follow-up call, put seller on a smart plan, and call to action text, and if you had anything else, you could then add items. I can then come over to the hot, and I had created from the template. So this is to contact the seller to set the listing appointment. Now, if I wanted to set a due date to this, I could come right here and say, I want to have this completed maybe by the 27th at 8 in the morning. And so once I were to do this, it would send me a task reminder. Now, if you are on a team, you can set this up that it notifies different team members to this. And now I can actually, if I've gone through everything, maybe I don't need to add anything else, or I can go through my entire. Now I can add a checklist for the pre-listing package. And if I were to do that, I can just type them in individually by hitting add an item. And I can come right here, hit add an item, and maybe I want to, on the pre-listing, let's see, maybe I am going to send pre-listing package. And of course I could then add on more and more as I wanted to. Once I am done, I can then hit done. And where you will see these is when you are actually into a contract. Maybe once I start adding documents, I will be able to see each item. And how I will be able to see those is if I come back to my opportunities and then I were to come into the opportunity, I'm going to be able to see here that I have, let me click on it real quick. I'm going to see that I have other things that are due within this opportunity. So I hope you found that helpful. Go out and make it a great day.